Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant style dosa at home. I've taken a hot plate. It's available in all supermarkets. So I'm going to show you how to make a dosa. So put a batter and rub the dosa batter like this in a hot plate. You have to rub the batter on the plate gently, but give a little bit pressure and make a batter like this. Here another batter. So the same process, make a two separate dosa and join this dosa together. Give a gentle pressure on the pan. Now I'm going to join this two dosa together like this. Now the middle, just give a gentle rub. Now let's wait and see how crispy it is. Just spray some vegetable oil on top of it or clarified butter on top of it. So let's wait and see how crispy it is on the other side. So I'm going to see how big and crispy the dosa is. It's just like a restaurant style. I'm going to flip it and fold it for you. Just flip it like this and fold it like this. So restaurant style dosa, and I'm going to put it in this plate.